If you're a tech enthusiast and want to stay up to date with the latest tech updates, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Nokia has just launched its latest mid-range 5G phone, the Nokia G42, and it's creating a buzz in the tech community. What sets this phone apart is that it's the first user-reparable 5G phone in partnership with iFixit. This means you'll have access to repair guides and OEM parts, including displays, batteries, and charging ports for the phone, for up to 5 years. Now, let's dive into the specifications of this impressive smartphone. The Nokia G42 features a stunning 6.56-inch HD Plus display with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, coupled with the Adreno 619 GPU, providing you with a seamless and powerful performance. You'll have the option of choosing between 4GB or 6GB of RAM, and it comes with 128GB of onboard storage, which can be expanded up to a whopping 1TB using a micro SD card slot. When it comes to photography, the Nokia G42 doesn't disappoint. It sports a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixels main camera featuring an impressive f1.8 aperture. Accompanying the main camera are a 2-megapixels macro lens and a 2-megapixels depth sensor, allowing you to capture stunning shots with ease. On the front, you'll find an 8-megapixels selfie camera housed in a sleek waterdrop notch at the top center. Powering all of this is a massive 5000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage. And with 20W fast charging support, you can quickly recharge your device and get back to your daily tasks. The Nokia G42 comes with the latest Android 13 out of the box, providing you with an updated and user-friendly experience. In terms of additional features, this smartphone offers an inside-mounted fingerprint sensor for convenient and secure authentication. It is also IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance, giving you peace of mind while using it in various environments. Connectivity-wise, the Nokia G42 has you covered. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port, ensuring you can stay connected wherever you go. Host. The physical dimensions of the phone measure at 165mm by 75.8mm by 8.55mm, and it weighs around 193.8 grams. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The Nokia G42 is priced at an affordable £199 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage model. You can choose between two stylish color options, so gray and so purple. We're really excited about the Nokia G42, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments section below what you think of this impressive smartphone. And remember to stay tuned to the Tech Soul Blog YouTube channel for more exciting tech updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.